Hey everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. In this video, let's talk about pipes in Angular. What is a pipe? A pipe is used to transform the values into the desired format. It takes data as input and formats it and then displays it in the view. There are a number of pipes provided by Angular. Some of the commonly used built-in pipes for data formatting are uppercase, lowercase, title case, currency, decimal, percent, and date. Let's see uppercase, lowercase, and title case pipes in this video. In the video component, we have the name of the playlist. I want this name to be uppercase text. This can be done using uppercase pipe. This is the video component and the label is the one representing the name of the playlist. So just add a pipe symbol. Okay. Yeah, just add a pipe symbol here and put uppercase. Save it, go back to UI, and the playlist name is now in uppercase. If I switch it to React, this is also in uppercase. If I want this to be in lowercase, which I do not want to, but I'll show this pipe as well. So now I made it lowercase. So the Angular is now in lowercase. React is also now in lowercase. Let me revert it back to uppercase. And now we have these video titles with multiple words, but only the first letter of the first word is in caps. But I want every word to have the first letter in uppercase. So how can I achieve that? There is another pipe called Titlecase. So item.title is the one that displays the name of the video. So to this, I'll add title case. Save it, go back to UI, and now we see in the create new project, C, N, and P are in caps. Rest all are in lowercase letters. Same is the case with React as well. These are a few pipes that can be applied on formatting strings. We'll talk about other pipes in the upcoming videos. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to InterviewPro. Thank you.